Hi honeys, how's your day going so far? Mine is going fine. Okay, I was sent a pair of the TANSUng poultry shears. So I'm going to give you an unboxing review, and then later I'll give a demo review of me actually cutting up my chicken wings. Okay, let me show y'all. Let me get it out the box. Okay. They package this up very nicely. Like, you can give these as a gift for somebody who cooks all the time or steady chopping up chicken or scaling fish and whatever. That's how the way they come packaged up. It's in there snugly. Okay, this is the way these look. And they're super, super sharp. Nice handle. I got some that look almost like this, but these are all stainless steel. Has a can opener or a bottle opener on the end. What is this? Can opener. It looks like a bottle opener to me. Okay, well, whatever. We got this on the end of it. Okay, it has nice, easy grip handles. Very comfortable. And it has this thing so you can lock it or unlock it. Just move the lever. So you can open them and start using them. And it's like spring loaded. Okay. What makes these different from the others is that you can take these apart. Look at that. Ain't no screws to take out and get lost. And you can clean these thoroughly, or you can use each piece separately as a knife. Very nice. And you don't have to fumble to put it back together. See that slot and that attached screw? And everything is stainless. Let me show you. Just slide that over. And it's on there. You can start using them again as scissors or shears. And you can lock it. So you can put this in your drawer and don't have to worry about cutting yourself. But these are very sharp. So I don't know what this was for. I'm not sure what this little notch here is for. Let me see. Adjustable slots. Come apart blades, can opener, bones breaker, scale remover, and seafood cutter. Like if you're cutting the end off the shrimp, or I don't eat seafood like that because I'm allergic to it. So whatever you do for your seafood that you got to be using scissors or shears for, this will do it. So they have this on the back of their box, all the things they can do. And I love when people, companies take care in how they package up their items. Very nice. Nice weight to them, but not too heavy. And stainless steel. Very nice. So I'm going to close these up and lock it. So I like how they come apart for cleaning. You think you got some clean shears to use, and crutch you couldn't get to is all up in there. But no, these come apart. So very nice. So these are the TANSUNG. These the kitchen shears or the poultry shears. Heavy duty bouncing shears. Okay, it says on this box kitchen shears, but they told me they were sending me poultry shears, so I'm thinking these are poultry shears. Well, whatever. The kitchen shears and the poultry shears, they still do poultry. And I like the fact that these come apart and you can use them as knives. Very nice. Okay. I feel like Vanna White. Okay, I want to thank you for watching. Leave a nice comment, thumbs up, and I'll leave a link for these TANSUNG brand kitchen or poultry shears. That's the name, TANSUNG. Make you smile. I think they're very nice. Okay. Be blessed.